Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shaneika and today is one of those reset kind of days. So we're going to be talking about wellness, faith, and a little home refresh. I'm starting the morning by prepping my own sea moss and turning it into a gel from scratch. Then I'll be heading out to church and I'll show you what I decided to wear. After that, we'll be doing a grocery haul and I'll share the supplements I've started taking to support my health. And I'll also show you what I picked up from Home Goods with the money I made from selling on Facebook Marketplace. So if you love the cozy lifestyle vlogs with a little faith, wellness, and home vibes, you are in the right place, and let's get right into the video. So the first thing, you guys, you want to make sure that your sea moss is pure, authentic sea moss. I start off by rinsing my sea moss in cold water. I rinse it a couple of times just to get just whatever is stuck within entangled within the sea moss, comes straight from the ocean, just to get all that debris, dirt, and grime out of it. And once I finish washing it, I'm going to go ahead and soak it in water for 72 hours. I soak mine for 72 hours with a lemon and lime. I use the lemon and lime to help just keep it fresh and get out that grimy seawater taste, that salty taste, or doesn't taste like the sea. I cover it with some saran wrap and I let this sit for 24 hours. Now, after 24 hours, I will pour out the water that the sea moss has been sitting in, and I will rinse the sea moss for a second time. After I rinse the sea moss, I will then again let it soak for another 24 hours in spring bottled water with a fresh lemon and a lime. Now, after it's been sitting for 24 hours, I just showed you in this bowl what the sea moss looks like. It is puffed up. It is ready to be blended to be made into a gel. So I'm just going to take the sea moss and I'm going to put it inside of the blender. I'm also going to be using the water that the sea moss has, the spring water that the sea moss has been soaking in, to blend with the actual sea moss. Now, when you're blending the sea moss, you want to be very, very careful. You don't want to blend it to the point where it gets too liquidy. You want it to be, like a gel, thick like a gel and smooth. So as you can see, when I blended mine, I put the right amount of water and the consistency came out perfect. You guys, I have been using sea moss since COVID, since 2022. I've been using it for 3 years straight. I stopped using it in 2023 because the people I was buying it from weren't able to get it, and I don't know why. Maybe it was more expensive or harder due to it coming from like Costa Rica and those Caribbean islands. But when I was on it, you guys, my health, oh my gosh, was amazing. I felt amazing. My bodies, my muscles, my joints, and most of all, my skin. No acne. Like, my skin was amazing. So I chose to go back to what I know, and it gives you 92 minerals. I made enough sea moss to be able to fit this whole entire jar. So this is going to last me like a month and a half, and I'll be taking 1 spoon every single day. Mine's doesn't have any flavor to it. Sometimes you can taste the lemon or the lime in it, but I don't taste any of like the seawater or like it's been sitting in the sea. So that's why I kept washing it and let it soak for the amount of days that I did. And I'm so excited because when I couldn't get my hands on it and I started to buy it from other vendors, or private entrepreneurs who were selling and making their own sea moss, it was very expensive. A jar like this, you guys, would cost me like $50. I didn't pay $50 to have to make this. So if you can make it on your own, I suggest making it on your own. It is cheaper and you can clean it and you know what is going in it. If you want your sea moss to have a flavor like mango, strawberry, blueberry, you can add those additives to it, but I prefer to have mine just plain its original state with some lime and lemon. So yeah, I'm just making sure I'm getting all of that sea moss out of there. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place this in the fridge, and every single day I am going to be taking a spoonful. Now, I advise you to go do your own research on sea moss. It is extremely healthy for you, gives you all the vitamins and the minerals that your body needs. And yeah, So yeah, let me know if you've ever tried it before, if you tried to make it, and what were the results that you got from it. Like I said, I was taking it for 3 years consistently, and this year, now that I'm more into my health, I am back on it, you guys. So I got all the vitamins that I need and the supplements to help support my body, because we're getting older, you guys. Okay, you guys, we're headed out for church. It's currently 32 degrees here in Florida. So I finally get to wear a jacket and a scarf. My grandmother, before she passed away, I was able to get this scarf. It's absolutely beautiful. And this is the fit, you guys. This is why it's always good to have a mirror by your door, so that way you will be able to see yourself when you're leaving out. Bye, Bear. He's gonna have to stay home by himself. Okay, you guys, so I just checked my mailbox, and this is how my mail came. Came ripped open, just like this. Very disgusting work. They probably thought there was money in this envelope, and yeah. Hey, you guys, so we're back home from church. I had a really good service, and we talked about discipleship, how discipleship is not only just spreading and teaching the gospel to others, but it also includes correction and encouraging. So it was a really nice service. We took communion. So I just feel so refreshed, and I just thank God, because I went with my kids and we were all together. To be able to serve the Lord with your family, your children, it truly gives you like a peace that you can't understand. And it's a peace that can only come from God. That's how you know God has his favor and his hand upon you, when you and your whole family serve the same God, because it's just like people are just all over the place now. But anyway, I'm going to share with you what we were able to pick up from Aldi's today. And I want to share with you some vitamins now that I'm serious and really owning in on my health. The vitamins that I've been taking that have really made a huge difference. And let's get right into the Aldi haul first. So we just picked up some Honey Crunch and oat cereal. We got these crackers, you guys. They are so good. Highly recommend them. So good by themselves. Some almond milk. We got some tuna fish. Can't wait to make that. That has like 29 grams of protein. And of course, we got some bagels for the boys so they can make that in the morning. I also had a delivery from Walmart Plus, but I already put all that stuff away. I had bought some bananas, mangoes, lemons. What else did I buy? Scallion, water. Picked up a papaya. Love this stuff. If you have problems going to the bathroom or you have constipation, I'm telling you right now, eat a papaya and your problems will be gone. So of course we got some Cosmic apples. You guys know I love Cosmo apples. Cosmic. I got some blueberries, blackberries, broccoli. I'm gonna try this because I've been making my own chipotle bowl at home. So I bought some original diced tomatoes with green chilies. So I'm gonna try this. I'm excited for that. We got some cucumber dill Greek yogurt sauce. We got some classic hummus. I've been eating hummus with cucumbers and some carrots. So we got some organic carrots. They still had it, so I got 2 of these. Cream cheese. I got the turkey sausages. What else did we get? I got some Caesar salad mix. Can't wait I'm actually gonna have that now. I got some oat raisin, almond and honey granola. So this has 32 whole grains in it. What else did we get? So this is this. So we got some broccoli florets. I got some zucchini. I've been having a taste for zucchini. And I saw Aldi's had this week. It's the first and second. What is this? It's just a bag of chicken wings. So when I'm ready to cook some, I am going to clean it like how I would cook regular chicken. And then we got some hash browns. So that's it for our Aldi haul. All this stuff came up to $63. The stuff I got from Walmart, the groceries I had delivered, that came up to $50. $50. This stuff should help get us through the week. Hey guys, this is the groceries for the week. All this stuff cost $63. I only got the chicken wings. I wasn't able to really get, I wanted to get some salmon and some chicken thighs for when I make teriyaki chicken or chipotle chicken, but I didn't like their pack of chicken. It was just too slimy, too much fat on their chicken. So I'm going to get that from Publix and just buy a pack of organic chicken thighs and some wild caught salmon. You guys, I don't know how I lost my audio for this clip. I think my mic died. But this is the tray, woven tray that I bought from Home Goods. When I first bought it, I returned it because I had two trays. But being that I sold those two trays today on Facebook Marketplace, I was like, you know what? I've been wanting this tray for over a year. Let me go and grab it. So I grabbed it. It's Tommy Bahama. You can use it anywhere in your house, you guys. You can use it in your bathroom, your bedroom for your perfumes, in your kitchen, tea station, coffee station. So I get a lot of uses out of my tray, and I'm definitely going to just be switching this one out as the season change. And for this spot, to cover my sink and the dish rack, I put this beautiful big vase that I got from Target last year with some cedar stems. And I'm just going to place a wooden tray with a candle, Studio McGee, that I got from Target last year. And that's just going to finish off the space with my candle warmer. Now, from Home Goods, I also picked up this glass canister. I've been wanting the largest size for the longest time, but I didn't want to pay full price for it or to buy a set. I already own the smaller jars, 3 of the smaller jars that I picked up last year. So when I saw this for $3.50 on the clearance rack, I was like, I had to pick it up. I have extra of those ball covers to put on top of it. And I'm going to be using this to store like sugar. I can store nuts in there. You can put whatever in this jar, Q-tips, cotton rounds. This is something you can also use anywhere in your house. So for $3.50, this was a yes. I also picked up an all-purpose scissor. This was on sale for $5. The one I have is extremely dull. So when I saw this at such a great price, I had to pick it up, and it is very sharp. I also saw this tea leaf holder. So I drink cloves with warm water and lime and lemon every single morning. So instead of having my cloves float around in my teacup, I can just scoop them up in this tea leaf holder and just pull it out when it's done marinating and sitting in the water. I also picked up this beautiful vase. I love it, you guys. $34 for it. I love the two-tone color. I'm thinking I'm going to put it in my bedroom with some beautiful floral arrangements. And I'm going to be using this in different places throughout the seasons. And I love the fact that not a lot of people, I think, have this one. It was the only one there when I saw it. And I was like, I love the brown. I love that beige color on the bottom. It works with the earth tone colors in my house. So I grabbed that. So yeah, I turned my Facebook Marketplace sale, flipped that around, and bought the things that I really needed. So I didn't have to come out my pocket. So I'm going to just share with you guys some of the vitamins that I've been taking that have really been helping me. This particular multi-liquid vitamin I have been using for the whole entire COVID because my pastor recommended it to me, and I've been using it since COVID. I didn't use it at all in 2025 and half of 2024. So we can say my last time using this continuously, religiously, would be 2023. So I was like, you know what? I'm not liking how I'm feeling. I'm tired of always feeling tired. You know, I need some vitamins to help support my diet, especially when I, am not getting as much nutrients as I should every day. So this, you can get it on Amazon. No, it's not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. It used to be $32, but now that we're in 2026, it went up a couple of dollars. So it's $36. But I realized that it's, when it came to my health, I kept telling myself when it was time to like buy vitamins or do certain things that would just benefit me as far as my health goes, I will always say it's too expensive. But no, I mean, if I can buy a $30, $40 vase or a $30 tray, then I need to start investing in things that really matter, which is my health. Also, I started taking this a couple of days ago. This is 400 mg magnesium glycinate. This is really good. This is nice. I do take The vitamin B by NutraWise, iron. My doctor suggested this brand. And then when it comes to my probiotics, this brand, I get it from Amazon. It's $23, you guys, but it really works. I found this this is not something I'm going to continue to buy, but I saw this in Ross and I was like, I always wanted to try Bloom, and it was only $4. So I was like, let me pick it up. So it's just individual stick packets where you can put in like a water bottle and then drink it, and helps with digestion, bloating, and energy. So we're going to try that. Also, what did I pick up? So I use the Paula's Choice 2% salicylic acid face toner for my face, you guys. That thing worked wonders. So if you get hyperpigmentation, you know, a lot of clogged pores, that Paula Choice works wonders, and it will fade those marks. But I was listening to a dermatologist the other day, and she was telling us, you know, about this brand. The Panoxyl brand works just as good as the Paula's Choice brand, and it has the same amount of salicylic acid in there, which is 2%. So we're going to try that. This is half the price. I can get 3 of these for the price that I would pay for the Paula's Choice. So this was $10.97. The Paula's Choice, when I do buy it, is $30 for the same size or smaller. Also, I've been doing some research on what kind of nuts I can eat to help get into my protein, or, you know, just have as a snack, so I'm not eating like cheesecake all the time, chocolate, because I'm obsessed with chocolate. So Brazilian nuts, which are very high in, I think, psyllium. I'm maybe saying it wrong. Psyllium. This 8 ounce was $13. You guys, everything is so expensive. So I got this, and so far so good. It has a real nutty taste. Real nutty. And what else did I get? Let me go in the fridge. Also some dates. Sorry guys, some dates. I eat like 3 dates a day, pitted dates. Those are supposed to be extremely healthy. And then of course you saw that I made my own sea moss today. So I'll take 1 spoon of this a day. I'll just swallow it. So yeah, you guys, this is what we take. Yeah. And so far, you guys, I have been feeling amazing, healthy. I'm not feeling as tired as I should. Take your vitamins. They help support you.